Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the system. Now let's tap on gestures and choose navigation mode. So here we've got 2 different options, a 3-button navigation. You can customize it here, so you can manage the assistant, and we can set the gestures just by tapping on this first option. So let's tap on it, and you can see that instead of 3 buttons we've got this line which was responsible for some gestures. I'll show them to you in a second. Of course, we've got this animation too. Here you can enter the settings, so you can change the back sensitivity and also manage digital assistant. I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger. And as you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the left side. It works almost the same, because as you can see, we will go back directly to the home page for some reason. We should get back to the previous page, so the gestures, but that's okay. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, it seems that you have to swipe from the left to the center. Or you can swipe from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here. Something like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.